Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So in this video we will see how you can create a course and you can add a content inside that particular course. Okay, so let's get started with that. So I am here logging with the admin credential inside this LMS and I will click on this manage classes and subjects. So left side you can see the classes and the right side you see the subjects. Okay, so you can create a class here, or if you have already created the class you can create a course inside that class. For example, this is a class 5 and I want to create a course. So if I click on this class 5, I can see the one course inside this class. And if I have to add one more course or subject, I will have to click here. Okay, so I will click on this, and the moment I click on this I can see this is a course creation form. And here you can see this is class 5 is already selected coming. So I can add here class 5 maths. So this is the subject name I just added, or you can say the course name. Now you can put here this particular course you can bound with a date, like this is going to start on this and end on this date. And if there is an open date, there is no end date, you can set like this. You can uncheck this one. Okay, you can put your description here if you want. You can add your course image in case you need, or you have a image, you can add your image here. Okay, so like this you can add your image. So you will also see there is a range of course format, but default one will be the custom settings. So let it be default one, the custom sections, and click on save and display. Okay, so how to this cannot be uploaded, only jpg, gif, png allowed. So here I can see that file is jpeg, that is not the allowed one. Okay, so either I will have to upload jpg, png, or gif. So yes, so this one is a png one. I am going to pick this one, and I can click on this save and display. So the moment you created a course, you will see something like this. I can easily go back to my course after clicking on this, and then I can see my this course under class 5, and this is the one I just created. Okay, and again, in case you are finding difficulty navigating this course, you can simply go to site administration, then the courses, then manage subjects. Okay, so you can see here internal trainings, then class 5, and you will find your newly created course. Okay, so now inside this course I just created a wrapper one. I have to add here a content. So how you can do that? For this we'll have to come here, edit enable mode. Edit mode I will have to enable, so I will click on this, and now I can see this is editable, this is editable, and here I can add activity like this. Okay, so suppose I have to make it as a chapter 1. Okay, so then let's say this is not a section, this is chapter 2, this is chapter 3, and this is chapter 5, 4. So something like this you can create, you can rename whatever you want this one. So inside chapter 1 I can have multiple stuffs, like I can create a book, I can upload a file, I can have a gmeet link, I can upload text and the media, and I can create a quiz for the assessment. Okay, I can also add the attendance if required, I can also add assignment. So let's see one by one the required stuff here. Suppose you have to create a simple uh, welcome to this course uh, notification, then how you can create that? You will have, you can also see here, this is general and the announcement. Okay, you can put the name here, class announcement. Okay, so I just rename it to class announcement, and here I can add a discussion forum. Okay, welcome to the class. You can put your message here. You can also add some images. You can also add here the videos, multimedia, any form of multimedia you can add here and post. So the moment you post this one, so whichever all, whoever is enrolled inside this course will be notified with this. Okay, so this section, particular section, can be used for the announcement purpose. So the class announcement can be managed from here. I can add here the n number of discussion topics. If I am a user or either a learner or admin or a teacher, I can participate in this discussion. Okay, in case I have to reply privately to any particular user, I can also go for that by checking this one, reply privately. Okay, so this is the class announcement you can use. Now coming to the next section here. So inside chapter 1, I want to add a PDF here. Then how you can do that? For adding a PDF, you will have to come here on, either you can use the file or this one, the text and the media one. So I can simply go for this. Okay, so class schedule 2024 math math class schedule 24. Suppose this is a name of, this is a title of your document, and I will have to browse here the file. Okay, so this is the PDF. Okay, so I can simply browse any file here. Suppose I am going to browse this. So if I click on save and display, I can see this one is added and this is the name coming. Sorry. And again I go back to the class main page and I can see chapter 1 have this one. Okay, so suppose you created this one and you don't want inside the chapter 1, you want here under general category. So you just simply have to drag and drop to this general. Now the announcement and the class schedule goes inside general. Got it? So you can switch to any particular section, this one. In case I have to drop to chapter 2, I can simply drag and drop this one. But ideally this should come under general. Okay, so this is a class schedule will come under general. Now under chapter 1, I have to add here some content. Suppose introduction to addition and subtraction. Okay, so this is the topic name, and here you can put all your content. Okay, let me take a help from the chat GPT on this class 5 content math class. Okay, let's see what it says. Okay, so I can use this simply, this one, whatever coming here, I can use this. Okay, I can simply copy and paste here. Got it? You will also find the formatting is coming all well because it's the copy paste, but yes, it will be working fine. Okay, in case I have to highlight this one with a bold, or I will have to make it a bit larger, I can go for that. But here it is already written the same thing. I will have to delete this one. Now in case you want this italic, that means like this, you can go for that. In case you have to change the color, you can also do that. Okay, so paragraphs thing, strike, code, whatever you want, you can go for that. Okay, so color is changed now. In case you need any additional stuffs that is not you are not able from this preview mode, you can also switch to HTML mode. Okay, you can go to tool and source code. You can see like this, and you can put your own HTML code. But yeah, let it be whatever is coming, just a simple one. Click save and return. Now you can see this is coming in front of this. If I close this edit mode, I will see the content like this. Okay, so this is chapter 1. In case you have to add here a video, you can also do that. Suppose at the end of this content you want to embed a video, so you can go for here. Okay,
Creating a website can be complex. Choose Hostinger, a simpler place to host your WordPress site. You'll love the quick access, intuitive.
suppose I have to embed this video, then I can simply import this one. I will have to copy the URL from here and I can paste it here. Insert media. If I click and save and return to course, it will redirect me to this preview page after saving my request. Okay, so this is how you can use this particular option, that is text and media area. Okay, so now you see how you can add this PDF file in the multimedia content. Okay, now again you are here on chapter 1. You want to add one more stuffs, like you have the PDF, you can also go for that. Okay, so class work, let's see this, paste, and I can simply browse my file from here. Okay, so I can browse this file and click on save and display. Okay, yeah, you can also click and save and return to course. So here you can see this is the chapter 1 content, and this is the text and media multimedia, and this is the file. I can add here the n number of elements, like in case I want to add attendance, I can also go for that. Okay, same way I can use the gimit here. Now go back to this class 5 maths. Now let's see, chapter 1 is finished, and under chapter 2 I have to add assessment. Assessment means the quiz one. Okay, so the test, class test, class quiz test 1, this, and here under quiz you can also define the time. In case you want to limit with the time, like the 5 minutes this quiz will take, you can also go for that. You can add the questions here. then add. Here you can see the list of the questions type you can choose. So true, false. Modi ji in Narendra Modi is the best leader in this world as of now. Okay, so in case you have to make it true, you will have to select your answer correct, true. In case it is false, in your case you'll have to select false. The false will be by default selected. In case you have to make it true, you will have to adjust this. So I will click on save changes. So I can see my one question is added here. And in case I have to preview, I will have to come here on quiz and I can preview this quiz. Start time. So the timer will be start like this. And here finish, submit and finish. I can see this is correct answer. Okay. So this was the 10 number questions and you got 10 out of 10. Okay. So in case you have to add more questions, steps remain the same. You can click, let's say this time the MCQ. So 5 plus 5 equal to what? Plus 5 like this. 5 plus 5 equal to 5. Of choice to 10. Yes, this is a correct answer, 100%. Now the choice 3 you will have, you can put your answer 15, and in case you have the fourth one you can put here. So click on save changes. Okay, so you can add your questions like this. You'll have the essay type, you can also go for the essay. So write an essay on Indian national flag. Okay, so this is the short question name and here the complete description will go. Save changes. Okay, so now you added 3 questions inside this course. Sorry, inside this quiz. You can again preview. You can check like this. You can next. Okay, next preview you can do that. Got it? So the response for your this essay type question will have to put here. Got it? Finish attempt and submit all on finish. So now based on your response you will see your correct or false, not correct. Okay, same you will have the many options here. So by default it is has a start, the assignments, attendance, the book, file, gmit, quiz and text in media. This is the most frequently used one, that's why it is coming under start. In case you have to make it not a strict mark here, you can simply click on that and it will be removed from here. Okay, so in case you want to add more, add this book back to the start, I will have to check this, and if I come here I can see again. Same way here is a folder one. I want to add folder, that means directory, then the file inside some files. This feature is also available. So here is a list of huge list of activity you can go for. Okay, so that's it from this video. Hope you'll have some idea how you can create a content inside a course. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.